Okay, guys, for this dictation, first of all, we're going to read these words. You ready? Okay, with me. Remember to say first sound by sound and then all the words. So, this word. S-A-L. Sail. Okay, so now you alone. This is sail. Next word. With me. Sh. Out. Shout. Okay. You first. With me. G-R-A-L. Grail. Next one. You first. With me. T-A-L. Tail. Okay. Next one. Tricky words. Very good. I. Remember the sound? The sound is ow, ow, ow. Remember? So, you first. With me. S, out, snout. Okay. Next one. You first. With me. S, k, out, scout. Let's go. Next one. You first. With me. Qu, in, queen. Let's go. Next one. Let me see. There. Very good. Next one. 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 4. With me. B, oi, boy. Very good. Next one. A tricky word, like. Very good. Next one. Sorry for the screen. Like. Very good. Next one. You first. Beautiful. Very good. Let's go. Are. Very good. Let's go. Some. Very good. Let's go. With me. R, e, s, k, you. Rescue. You first. With me. F, ow, e, ers. Flowers. Tricky word. He. Okay. Tricky word. They. Okay. And we are finished. Okay, now let's go with our dictation, right? So first I'm going to say the sentence, then word by word. And later we're going to correct that sentence, okay? So there are going to be 6 sentences. First sentence is, the green bench is in the park. Okay, so this is a bench. Maybe you didn't know, this is a bench. So the green bench is in the park. So first word is the. Tricky word. The. Second word is green, green. The, tricky word, the, green. Third word is bench, bench, b, e, n, ch, bench. I repeat, b, e, n, ch, bench. Fourth word is is. Is. Next word is in. In. Next word is the. The. Tricky word. The. Next word is park. Park. Sound by sound. Ark. Ark. Park. Let's go right, guys. So, first tricky word is. I'm going to do it here. So let's correct the first sentence. So the first word is the tricky word, the. Let's correct. Okay. Second word is green. G, R, E, N. Green. Very good. The color green. Next word, bench. B, E, N, ch. Bench. 4 sounds. Next one is. Next one, in. Next tricky word, the. And next one, park. Ark. Park. 3 sounds. Period at the end of the sentence. And let's go with the next sentence. The sentence is, I can see beautiful flowers. First word, tricky word, I. I. Next word, can. K-a-n. Can. Next word, see. 2 sounds. First sound, S. E. S. E. S. E. Okay. I can see. Next word. Tricky word, beautiful. Beautiful. Next one, flowers. Flowers. Okay, so flowers like this. Ow, ow, ow. But with this sound, eh? Ow. Like in cow. Like in owl. Yes? Like in cow. Like in owl. So flowers. I repeat. Ow, s. Flowers. Flowers. So I can see beautiful flowers. Period at the end. That's correct. I can see beautiful flowers. Okay. Let's go to the next one. The dog has 4 legs. So the first word is the tricky word, the. 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 Let's write it down. The. Okay. Next one is dog. 2 sounds. 3 sounds. The. O. G. So, dog, 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 dog. Okay, so the dog wags, like in wind, wags, wags, wags. His, the first sound is second sound I. Third sound I. His. Okay, and the next word is tail. Tail. A O tail. A O tail. A O tail. Okay, let's continue with the next one. So the sentence is the dog has 4 legs. So first word is the. Tricky word. It's correct. The. Next word, dog. 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 That's correct. If it's too fast, you always can stop the video, okay? So the dog has has. It's correct. So first sound next one has. 4 tricky word. 4 okay, so it's 4. Correct. 4. And the next word is legs. Legs. Stop it if it's too fast. 4 legs. That's correct. Legs. And I think that's all. We don't have time for the next one. So let's say, and the 6th sentence, if you have space in your book, you can make a sentence of your own. Okay, you can write, looking at the picture, the next sentence. For example, we can say like, there are some swings over there, or the grass is green, or I can see some tulips, or I can see some rocks. Or we can say that the boy has yellow hair, or the boy has black hair. Or we can say that the dog is brown, the dog has brown spots. Yes, we can say that I don't know, the boy is omnivore, the dog is omnivore too, etc. You can the last sentence, is it you, the ones that are going to create the sentence. Okay, so bye bye. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Bye.